the respect with which we take the holy name of Jesus in Islam. No Muslim learned man can ever come before the Muslim congregation and speak about Jesus as Isa. Isa means Jesus in Arabic. We can never say Isa. He must say Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, revered Jesus, may peace be upon him. If he just says Isa, which means Jesus, he'll be kicked out. Oh, barbarian, you take the name of a mighty messenger of God and you call him just like that Isa, that's like calling Deedat instead of calling me Mr. Deedat. So, this is how we take his holy name. Now, I say that prophecy that I just read to you refers to Muhammad. I might conclude that I can carry on like this, for an hour, for 2 hours, but that is not my purpose. I'd like to give you an opportunity of asking me questions. But I end by rereading that verse with a little emphasis on the pronouns, which will give you an idea that this person that Jesus was prophesying about was not a ghost, was not a spirit, was not a spook. The words, again. He says, I have yet many things to say unto you, but ye cannot bear them. How be? When he, the Spirit of truth, is come, he will guide you into all truth. For he shall not speak from himself. For what things so shall he hear, that shall he speak, and he shall declare unto you the things that are to come, he shall glorify me. 8 masculine pronouns in one verse. I'm asking, learned people, can you find another verse in this whole encyclopedia called the Bible with 8 masculine pronouns? One verse with 8 masculine pronouns, or feminine pronouns, or neuter genders? I would like to see that. I am sure there isn't. In other words, Jesus Christ was emphasizing that the person who is going to come to guide mankind into all truth will be a man, a man, a man. And we say that man was Muhammad. This is our belief.